like the birds. And whenever I go to eat my sandwich, they'll come wandering over, looking for me to throw them a bit of my sandwich. Sorry guys, that's my lunch. My God, there's millions. I hope they all, sometimes they all fly into the air all together. It's quite a sight, but I've never managed to get it on camera as yet. But there's a white one over there. I don't know if that's the same species. It's a bit blurry now, but you see it's not a seagull. Yeah, there's a few. Oh, there's a sort of brown tawny one. Well, what are they doing? There. Oh, hello. This one's come to see me. Hello. Oh, look. Hiya. Oh, I could sit here all day actually. This is quite nice. Maybe I'll just wait until they all fly away as one. Yeah, I mean most of them are just your normal pigeons, I think, but there's a few variations. I don't know whether they're other species or just a variation on a theme. Hello. Yes, hello. You've got a big gullet. Shiny. Ah, life. Those must be the boss ones all on the fountain. And on that bench over there. Oh, he looks quite happy. Just sat plonked down, separate from everyone else. Poor little thing. Okay, oh, hello. You were coming towards me then. And then I saw you, now you're... Hello. Chasing that one. Oh. Leave him alone, or her. Oh, just shitting on the on the ground. Where's your manners? Decorum. Oh, we've got some movement. Oh, that guy's feeding them. No wonder. Look at all these slow pokes. Oh, there we go. It's the bird whisperer. No wonder they must come here. There's loads of restaurants around here, so I bet people come out and feed them all the time. My god, it's an army. It's an armada. Well, it's an air force. An air to ground force. Marine pigeons. Oh my goodness. Look at them just off to the side. Look at those superior pigeons on the fountain looking down on the common rabble. Whoa! Oh, there we go. Woo! And now look, we're all gone. They're empty again. Whoa! Oh, they're all gone up there. They've all had their lunch. Oh, I don't want to stop filming in case they do something. I feel like a really budget David Attenborough right now. Yeah. Oh, there's McEwen Hall over there, the big fancy hall where people do their graduation ceremonies at the University of Edinburgh. So this is a nice little oasis in the middle of the city, surrounded by KFCs, which is ironic, and busy roads. This is a nice little camp spot in the middle of it all. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm going to eat the rest of my sandwich now.